Hi, this is Bryan Griffin, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the undercut. First thing you want to do is dampen your hair a little bit. So then you're going to want to attach your desired guard. So I like to start with a 1.5. Then you're going to cut section 1 and 2 using your clipper. So we've gone up one guard length here gradually, cutting the different sections. Now we're going to go to a 3. So then to maintain some of the length at the top, so for a connected undercut, we're going to use guard 5 and use a upward rocking motion to finish the blend. Alright, next we're going to touch up the lines with the inverted clipper technique. So after you've touched up the length and cleaned up the lines, you're going to want to use some of the pomade, just a little bit for some styling. And there you have it, we've achieved the undercut.